I'm going to show you guys how to change the headlight. This one ends up being, this one's good. This one's not good. 2011 Hyundai Sonata. Follow along. All right, so on this particular model, you got to obviously pop the hood, and then there's a couple of different spots, but this one is the one closest to the body. You're just going to rotate that, going to pull that out, and the headlight connector is right here behind this. You're just going to, this is just a two prong electrical connector. You're just going to pull that straight out. There's no release tabs. Now the tricky part is, I don't know if I can, I might be able to get you in there. So you don't have to do this, but I'm going to take this coolant bottle out only for the sake of showing you. You do not have to do this if you have enough experience. If you have to, you have to, but there's just 2 bolts on this washer bottle, or the coolant bottle. I'm just going to move this away. So what we have in here is we have this spring. There's no bolts, there's no twisting. This spring you're going to push down and over, and it releases it off of the little retainer, the little holder. And you're going to take the bulb, and the bulb is going to come straight out, just like this. I try to remember the orientation of it because on here, there's a little flat, and that has to locate down into this flat. Let me go get a new bulb, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's pop this back in now. Got the new bulb. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to take this. Let me see if I can get you a little bit more light. Oh yeah, there we go. You're going to take this. It's going to go same type thing. You want to make sure it hits on the correct part of the bulb, and you're going to just tuck this under. Way up top there is like a little hook, and then this, you're going to push that in and go boop, right underneath of it. Then we're going to just put this back on here. Then we'll put this, usually it'll say open and close. You just line up the little marks, just like that. That should go there. And now we got this headlight, and we got that headlight. We're good to go. All right, guys, I hope this helped. 2011 Hyundai Elantra H7 bulb. All right, thanks, guys.